Hey, sixth graders. So we're still working on these challenge word problems for practice 3.6. This is number 21. So the list price of a camera was W dollars. Paul bought the camera for $35 less than the list price. If the sales tax was 8% on the discounted price, how much did Paul pay for the camera, including tax? So what do we know how much we want an algebraic expression for what Paul paid for the camera, including tax, okay? Well, we know that the list price was W dollars. So we've got our list price, W dollars. So right there, we have our variable, right? Paul bought the camera for $35 less than the list price. So this isn't 35% less or 10% less. You know, if we had 35% less, we would know, well, oh, we would just multiply 35 times W, right? And that would give us the discount amount. Or if I wanted to look at it in reverse, I could, and I would have to then take a discount amount off of the full price. The other way that I could look at that is if I multiplied 65 by W, and that would actually be what was paid, because they only paid 65% of it because it was a 35% discount. So that would be the actual what was paid. But in this case, this isn't a percent, this is a dollar. So it's like a one-time hit, right? So we're not multiplying it by the variable because it was just a one-time hit of $35 off of the price. So $35 off. So $35 off, since it's a one-time thing, would be our constant, right? Because whatever we determine the list price is, it was a W minus $35, right? It was the list price was W, but he paid 35 less than the list price. So this would be an easy W minus 35. But we're not done yet, but I just kind of wanted to frame that for you. If the sales tax was 8% on the discounted price, how much did Paul pay for the camera, including tax? So once he had that discounted price, he still had to pay 8% on that. Now, I want to find out what he paid in all. So I don't want to just find out 8% times W minus 35. Because if I did what's 8% of W minus 35, what I would get there is the sales tax, right? Because I would just be finding out what's 8% of the list price minus $35. So that would only give me the sales tax. So that would not be right, because I want to know how much he paid for the camera, including the sales tax. So with this information, I'm going to stop the video and see on Edpuzzle. Can you write the algebraic expression for what Paul paid for the camera, including sales tax? Let's see.